What can I say about the Jamaican mother? She is truly unique.
One thing with Jamaican mama, them no ramp.
Especially in the department of discipline.
You're the worst friend ever. Don't come back to my house. You're so poor you can't even afford free stuff.
Skyjar,
You started it.
what did I tell you about speaking to people like that? Tell him you're sorry.
Sorry.
Now get inside and go to the naughty corner.
You see if Pitney bright, dim them light.
Move on, go. Your head big light. Don't come back on my yard.
Leah,
Mommy, I see first.
come inside, come eat your food.
As it relates to food and nutrition, mothers always know best.
Mom,
Yes, darling.
why did you buy this brand?
Because this brand costs more, so it's a better quality. I'd rather pay more to get the good things.
So, Mom, why didn't you buy the Skittles?
Because, darling, Skittles will rot your teeth. I'd rather you eat fruits, okay? You get more nutrients from them.
When Pitney want food, mother give them where good for them. You not tell me where you want.
Uncle Barney!
Yeah,
How much a 2 pound chicken?
250.
What?
250.
Really, get a steak for true. Here what? Give me 2 pound of chicken back, big Gila Island in the back there, and pound of rice.
Let me there. Coming up.
Mommy, why cool yet now?
Little girl, I want 20 for pound of sugar, $50 for Kool-Aid. That can buy one van in Alaska for mix tea a morning for you. We have a lime tree on the back. When we go home, I pick 2 lemon, we'll drink some wash.
Mommy,
Check my bill there for me now. What? You put a dentist? Who I go pay for fix the rotten teeth them in your head, eh? Me dey tell you, no. It's how you come a shop, you no see nothing, you no want nothing, cause you not get nothing. We have church tree run at the back, go pick them sweet. I fix your lip.
The Jamaican woman has evolved into breadwinners, independent and proud, always making their own money.
Yes, Catherine. No, I'm going live on a Zoom meeting in about a minute. Yes, I'll call you back. Good morning, guys. Yes, thanks for joining again. Now, this morning we'll be looking at our new liberated woman products, which are top of the line products. Yes. Well, if they seem a bit costly, it's because of the durability of the products and the fact that the price eliminates the possibility of everyone wearing or using the products. Right. We have the full line of liberated products there. Normally we look at makeup, but today we're looking at the new designs of Victoria's Secret. Right. Those are the underwears. Now this is for the woman who still wants to prove how sexy and sensual she can be. Go ahead, take your time.
It don't depend on man for nothing. We have a dirty money. So we do what we need to do for survive and take care of our family. A hustling, you say.
G-string! Get a G-string over here. I have eyelash. I'm gonna get the new bangle, now. Yeah. G-string over here, body floss.
I'm not getting a bottle floss. So you don't know any bottle floss? You know G string them. Yeah, and them call bottle floss. Now the deuce and grab on. And the lover not keep no secret. Yeah, bye? 2 bills for 2. 6 bills for 3. Buy your 2. See the upside down triangle. Boy, you know, but anytime I get one of the big bingo chop all in them for you, I come and link you back, alright? This string over here. So the new train them here, new train. But like them suck me now. Okay. See it, sir? And them suck me out weird, them suck me away I carry on with. Boy, I'm gonna have a little body splash over here. Splash up your body, it smells good.
We work hard, but we know how to have fun. Many times, we want to have fun by ourselves.
Hi, good night. I saw you dancing and you were so electrifying. Your personality is so magnetic. I was wondering if I could steal you away for a moment.
Really?
Can I offer you a drink?
A strawberry daiquiri would be nice.
So, after the drink, can we dance out of this noise to somewhere more secluded to engage in more practical activities?
After one drink? I'm sorry, but I'm here with my friend. And it would be unethical of me to leave with you just like that and not notifying her. Plus, I don't know you. So maybe next time. Thanks for the drink.
Well, I hope I see you again.
Not if I see you first. I know every time when I see we do a thing on the phone and run in, more while, on the just bill. Just allow me to enjoy ourselves.
Whoa! Mama! Green top! Pink belt! Red tights! Gold hat!
What are you dirty man here?
Shizzle man, listen! Bad man, acting Rena. Yes! Shank man, uncle. Any boy this year get him face this monk. Watch on baby. Bad man I go want you. I feel like me da aunt you. You know me care more plant you. Baby watch it. See if you are the lizard, me are the limb. If you are the tire, me are the rim. See if you are the worker, me are the boss. See if you are Christmas, me are Santa Claus. Baby, I mean if you are living in your bed for 9 months. Watch it, you don't want something over by bye.
What on the bounty? What I drink?
Who that?
My friend them do at the bathroom. I want 6 Smirnoff, 5 Dragon, 4 Red Bull, 3 flask Campari, 2 cranberry and a bottle of water.
Baby, I need this speechless.
Yeah, look man, you know no money. How it go?
What you talk about? Pocket. Enough! Buff! I'm not rough. Watch out, this can deal with everything, man. I want to tell man, baby, 2-5. Where, how much for where you at? So I say, you can get the number.
When me give my number when me use.
So watch out now. After I buy you a drink, you can go up on my crib and go and chill. Go on that little thing.
Crib? The last time I checked me a big woman, crib after baby.
I'm gonna deal with no farmer soda with a thing or Pepsi. Thanks for the drinks. I look woman here broke like.
Yo, you give me back my money, bitch. You security, you have to stop my bridge there, so the man leave with my money, dog.
Yes, hello.
Out to them security.
Hello. Hello, miss.
Uptown,
Our downtown,
Jamaican,
our foreigner,
black.
our white.
Today, we celebrate our queen mothers, biological or non-biological.
We love and appreciate you all.
We love one no bad. Happy Mother's Day.
Get all come tell them stay. What if I'm break? I will still do this for them, girl.
Oh, man, I drink water like strawberry daiquiri. This is not daiquiri. Or daiquiri, what them call it? What them call it, Bimbos?
I don't know. Daffles.
Daffodil.
Daffodils.
Something. Happy Mother's Day, guys. From us to you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Lucky dog,
From Expressions JE.
We'll be there with the beer tapping slippers. Oh my god, I keep my happy boy.
In the party.
Watch there. Mercy me. From I was born.
Hey, listen. I just want to say
Wow.
to all the mothers across the world,
Greetings.
all my baby mamas, my grandmama, my mama, happy Mother's Day. Love you guys.
Should I sing for them?
Yeah,
Should
to all
I
the
sing?
mothers, you know? Happy Mother's Day.
No, got to shut it
Where's the shop for saying?
Mama, you're the queen. Sing peace now.
Mama,
Mama, you're the queen of my heart.
You can't sit
Your
there.
love is right there from the start. Mama, I just want you to know. Loving you is like food to my soul. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
One for them. Freestyle for them, dog.
Yes, it is.
You know them pretty fights there, you know. That's alright, here we go. Loud up at the TV. All of the man them out there, big up on yourself. Phone there.
And cut. That's a wrap.
Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean.
I doubt him, sir.
Feeling mean,
Yeah.
I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean. Gonna make you scene. Tonight I'm feeling mean. I'm
Carlton Wallace. Stephen.
So
like it a fight for me, you know.
Hot body Damien. Line up a session, I'm gonna verse a song.
What kind of rhythm?
The same one as I see the pan. Yes, and I'm asking the question if there is anything that I need to know.
Dennis!
Bubbles, come back. Please, urgent.